everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra and I'm not going to give the spiel today. Today we are getting straight into it. It is my favorite hair and skincare of 2018. So before we jump right in, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And if you love favorites videos, give this one a thumbs up. So let's just start with the Miracle Worker. If you can see my hair in it, I apologize. There's total, like, it's been used. It did this morning. Now, it didn't do the curls. It made it all nice and silky, and then I took a curling iron over it. But if you missed it in my November favorites, this is the Revlon 2-in-1 like blow dry brush. It retails for $60. Black Friday, Ulta and Sephora, Ulta and Amazon put it at $30. I know Target sometimes puts it at $30, but even at $60, such a steal. This is the first blow dryer slash brush that has actually worked. I can blow dry my hair in 11 minutes and it's straight and has just enough volume and it just comes out beautifully. I didn't have to use other tools. I mean, today I used the curling iron just because, but like, you don't have to. I have literally just brushed through it until it's dry and left. That's it. So, big winner of the year. This would be like, I thought about doing just an overall best video of like favorite things, including things that aren't makeup or beauty. I decided against it for a bunch of reasons, but if I was gonna do one, this would be in it. The Eco Tools wet brush. Now, I know people have been talking about the wet brushes. A lot of us I've discovered, excuse me as I clean hair out and don't talk to you. A lot of us I've discovered do not like the Tangle Teaser. Thank goodness it's not just me. I happened to pick this one up because I got a deal at Create and Cultivate. Like, I bought 2 things, I got 1 free or something. And I was intrigued by the way this one looked, and I love this brush. So this is what you use when you get out of the shower, just kind of comb out your hair and detangle. And my hair is fine and just falls out no matter what. I've seen less fall out with this, and I just like the way it feels. Like, I'm not having to really work through it. It just kind of like works itself out. And Eco Tools is so affordable, so this one's my fave. Okay, it's still in the packaging. This is the Caviar Anti-Aging Miracle Multiplying Volume Mist. It's a spray volumizer. I believe it cost $40. There was a gift set for Christmas at Sephora, so it might still be available, but I got a deluxe sample of this in a Sephora play, and at the time I was like, whatever. And then I tried it. My eyes have seen the light. Like, it was so good that I asked for it for Christmas. I saw a definite difference, and unlike other volumizing sprays, your hair is still soft. So I think a lot of volumizers, you trade off volume for softness. Like, it's normally volumized, but it feels kind of dry, or if you get really close, like a little crispy. Other people won't notice it, but you can feel it. This you put on, and you get the volume, and it's soft. So that's why this is the winner to me. And it's this anti-aging line, so it's supposed to help with like not losing hair, etc. I'm all about preventative care, so happy with that. Okay, so that is all the hair care, and now let's talk skincare. The one that everyone, I'm sure, is talking about. I haven't seen a lot of skincare favorites. I've seen a lot of makeup favorites, but not skincare favorites. But if there was one, the TLC Sakari Baby Facial was just like, I think, the skincare product of the year. You couldn't get away from it on YouTube. Now, I got this in a set that I believe I showed, yeah, I showed in the 3 skincare gifts you should get for Christmas, because it's such a good deal. Like, it's the price of this, but you get all these other items as well. If it is still available, I will link the set in the description box below. If it's not, I'll just go straight to the product. I got a deluxe sample of this in one of those Sephora favorite sets for the year. That's how I like to try products like this. I would rather spend the money on one of those, see if I like it, because this is a pretty harsh product. It has 25% AHA, 2% BHA. That, on certain people, is not gonna do, like, that can affect your skin pretty harshly. So I wanted to see how it worked before I invested. It is a great facial. It is not for the weak of heart or the faint of heart. It is strong. It will sting. It reminds me of going to the dermatologist in high school and like them putting the glycolic, it's not a glycolic, but it reminds me of the way the glycolic would feel, of just being very tingly and like kind of painful to itchy. But I'm really selling it right now, aren't I? But when it's over, your skin looks good. And that deluxe sample I had, I used once a week, like pretty religiously, and I believe it lasted 3 months. So that leads me to believe, even though this is pricey, it's around $80, it is going to last me the entire year. That's my thought. So we will see how it goes, but this is one of my absolute favorites. I know it didn't come out this year, but I finally got on the Good Genes train this year. Are people still upset at Sunday Riley? Like, did we get over that, or are people still mad? Because I'm not. I think it's a great treatment, and especially now that the like lab results have come out, or the new studies have come out, that you can mix a retinol and an AHA or BHA, like a lactic acid treatment. That makes me happy because I can put on my Different at night and put this on over it. So I use the two together. This too, not for the faint of heart. You're gonna have to kind of build up to it, put it on one night, don't the next night, put it on the next, see how it goes, but really, really good product. Okay, I've talked about it before and how no one talks about it. The Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate with 12.5% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I have been using this on my forehead. It's supposed to help, you know, it literally says line reducing. So I put on my forehead, I have seen a difference. I've been putting it here because this just drives me crazy. Haven't seen a difference yet, but I feel like this too, skincare is not gonna work miracles, but I think it can help prevent the aging process. So hopefully down the road, I go, yeah, still looking pretty good. Oh yeah, it helped it from getting worse, or helped it from getting worse. The only place I haven't used it is under my eye, and I'm curious how that would go, but I've been using other stuff there. So, but no one is talking about this Kiehl's product. Kiehl's in general just isn't talked about a lot. I think mainly because it doesn't seem like they send PR to people. And don't we all feel that YouTubers, like beauty YouTubers, once they get to a certain point, it's like if PR doesn't send it, they don't go out and try on their own anymore? Is that true? I kind of get it though, because you have so much stuff, you just want to use what you have. Why go buy more? So I kind of get it. But anyway, that's my rant. I love this. I think this is great. I will probably repurchase this too. I got in a skincare set over the holidays, so love it. Okay, some people like SK2, some people like fresh Kombucha Black Tea essence. I am in that camp. The SK2 essence did nothing for me. It costs $110. I can't. This is still pricey. This costs $65. Now, if you've watched my video on it, which I'll put a card to the review and I'll leave it in the description, one of the things I talked about is you need 2 drops in the morning. So while this is an investment product, this is gonna last the year. I've been using it 2 months? No, I've been using it 3 months. That's it, people, that's it. So this is anti-pollution. It is age delaying. I put it on in the morning, you pat it into your skin after toner, before serums and moisturizer. And it just softens your skin and it helps products adhere better. I just see a difference with it. So I'm in love with this. Like, I don't think I'm gonna try other essences. I think this is just my essence at this point. So this is with the blow dryer of like, this wins product of the year. Like that wins the hair category. This wins the skin category. Baby facial is a close second, but this wins. So that is it. Just a couple of things that are definitely my favorites. I forgot something. Just kidding. That was like some trick. I don't care what kind. I've gotten the Mighty patches. These are the CosRX patches. I can't talk. Are they not in here? Yeah, they're in here. I bought these on Amazon because they had a good deal. The pimple patches in general. Oh, wow. Like, these win best innovation of the year. These are little, like, salicylic acid patches, and CosRx does ones in different sizes, which is nice. And you just put these on a pimple overnight and it will reduce. It is straight up crazy. I got this overnight. Had I thought about it last night, I would have done it. I will definitely do it tonight. And I know in the morning it's gonna look so much better. So forgot to put that in there, but pimple patches, I mean, my gosh, great invention, so helpful. Okay, now that is it. If you like this video, like I said before, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite hair or skincare product was in the description box, in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you've been loving. And that is it for today. Right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos, so keep watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!